Okay, now move to this page, page number 14. Now read these words carefully. Double E words. See, week, weekend, green, kameez, beef. EA words. Read, reader, meat, beans, peas, ice cream. EE words. These, even, evening, compete, and complete. And these are some tricky words. Straight, usually, bicycle, clothes, and right. Okay. Now complete the phonic and tricky words in the sentences, then do the crossword puzzle. Do the easy clues first. Now here is a puzzle game for you. Okay. Some clues are across like this and some are clues down like this. Okay. Some numbers are given and some statements are there. First statement number 1 is we see with our eyes. So what word is here? See. So we write a word in number 1 because this is a statement of number 1. So here this is done for you like SEEC. Now which is the second statement? On number 3. Rashid can ride a dash. So Rashid can ride a bicycle. So where is number 3? Here it is. So here we can write BICYCLE, bicycle. Now see number 3. We call Saturday and Sunday the dash. We call Saturday and Sunday the weekends. And where we can write this? On number 6. Now where is number 6? Here it is. So here we can write WEEKEND, weekend. Okay. Now see number 7. Sorry. Now clues down. These 3 done by yourself. Clues down. Number 2. The sun goes down in the dash. Now the sun goes down in the east. So where is number 2? Here it is. Sorry, the sun goes down in the west. But here we can write the sun goes down in the evening because in the lesson the word evening is given. So we write here as on number 2 evening. EVENING. Okay. Number 4. Hassan likes eating ice cream. So find number 4. Where is number 4? Number 4, here it is. Okay. So we write ice cream. I is also here. So we write CREAM, ice cream. Okay. And these 3 you also done by yourself. Okay. Complete this puzzle. And the second one is your English grammar workbook. Sorry. Okay. Now see question number 1. Practice the exit flicks in the letters and the words. Here you can write just E 3 times over here. I write 3 times over here and U 3 times over here and cut write 4 times on this line. Okay. And then trace and copy the words start at the dot. First you trace these words and then write over here, copy the words. Okay. Next is the same exercise from your textbook, that complete the story with J, GE and DGE. Once an old woman lived in a cottage. GE, it was on the dash of small village. So here you can write on the edge, EDGE, edge of a small village. VILLAGE. Okay, complete this with yourself, okay, by your own. Now fourth is trace and copy the words and start at the dot. Same, first you trace these words and then copy the word over here. The next is question number 5, exercise number 5. Circle the correct word in each box and copy the correct sentences in your notebook. Option A. One day, please, Pete planted some beets seeds. One day, Pete is the name of this boy. One day, Pete planted some seeds. So, circle the word seeds. Every evening he watered them. Every evening he watered the plants like this, as seen in the picture. For 3 free days nothing happened. For 3 days nothing happened. So you underline, you circle the word 3. Then he saw some little shoots peep sleep up. So here you circle the word peep. Then he saw some little shoots peep up. Soon there were some leaf on the shoots. Soon there were some leaves on the shoot. So you circle the word leaves. Here 4 weeks later each plant had a flower. 4 weeks later each plant had a flower. Here you underline, you circle the word weeks and each. Okay. The next is look, cover, write and check the tricky words. Here you first read them, then copy here at least 4 times. Then write the sentences with the tricky words in your notebook. Now use these words and make a sentences of these words in your notebook. Exercise number 8. Color the picture. Write 4 sentences about the giraffe. Here some hints are given, like this giraffe wearing a jacket, a jeans, a bandage on his hand. Okay. So you colored the jacket orange. You color the jacket with orange color, jeans with blue color, bandage this one with yellow color, and badge this one with purple color. Okay, and write at least 4 sentences about the giraffe, like the giraffe is wearing an orange jacket, the giraffe is wearing an blue jeans, the giraffe is wearing a purple badge, the giraffe is wearing a yellow bandage. Okay, now extension, complete the sentences. Okay, I think it's wearing a badge because it has. Now we complete this. Some possible answers are there, like I think it's wearing a badge because it has won the race. Because if anyone won the race, we awarded him with a badge. So I think it's wearing a badge because it has won the race. I think it's wearing a bandage because its arm is broken. Okay. Whenever we hurt by something, we wear a bandage over it. Okay. So I think it's wearing a bandage because its arm is broken. It's all about today. Allah Hafiz.